Abarai hinse yobomo bw'okwamerera eserekari bose United Opposition nigo bono baumira na senka eyo kabero mokonyi b'umurai bwense muske Rigathi Gachagua asomwega bw'okubekerwa egutwa koba omurandia bw'omurugi bw'oyo kabero murai omukonyi b'umurai bwense Pastor Dorcas Rigathi Abarai abaiga banyariko babakuru koboria gochiase egati y'Abarai koene kiabuna nkuru abara masikani gochiase Abarai bechikanisa ao nabo igobunenchire moyo gochia koene kia omorembe ase amatuko alebosio.
Something tremendous has happened today with your ordination. We congratulate you and celebrate you, and also remind this family that the God of the mountain is still God in the valley.
The whole of this week, we have listened very carefully to how the clergy have addressed public issues in this country. My personal experience is that I've interacted with some of these wonderful people here, and I normally tell people, for us in the secular world, these are very dangerous people, because we are going to look for votes from all these people. These ones are ordained by God, and when they speak, we had better listen.
When the ordaining bishop spoke to the reverend after ordaining her, and he said, "You have been called to a high office. There can be no greater calling, and there can be no greater master that you have been called to serve. And you should serve with honor and dignity."
The honor that she's being bestowed today is very gratifying to my family, because we have seen her work and work hard. This great woman of God, when we were in office, was so passionate about the boy child. I saw very little of her. I would go to work, she would go to work, we meet in the evening. Sometimes she finds me asleep. And when she woke up in the morning, she was just talking about the boy child. Our humiliating exit in office has been very pleasant to us, because we have moved on and we are happier people.
This is not work for one person. This is the work of the body of Christ. So when you see us sitting here and wearing our regalia, where we say God reigns in Kenya, we are saying God reigns in Kenya.